From the shadowy days of the Cold War emerged a covert operation, a top-secret mission to unravel one of humanity's greatest mysteries, unidentified flying objects. Today we will embark on a journey to learn about the purpose of Project Blue Book and some of its most shocking findings. Project Blue Book was a U.S. Air Force initiative spanning from 1952 to 1969. The program was tasked with scientifically analyzing thousands of UFO reports. The project's investigators pored over eyewitness accounts, radar data, and physical evidence, hoping to shine light on the extraordinary. They investigated over 12,000 cases. 701 of those cases remained unidentified. Project Blue Book concluded that most sightings could be explained as misidentifications of natural phenomena, conventional aircraft, or even birds mistaken for UFOs, but some relied on explanations that seem rather simplistic and even far-fetched in hindsight. Swamp gas became a notorious catch-all explanation for many sightings, particularly in the 1966 Michigan UFO wave. The idea was that methane gas rising from swamps could refract light in bizarre ways, creating the illusion of moving lights. Critics argue that this explanation was overly convenient and lacked scientific support. Venus, being the brightest planet in our sky, was frequently cited as the culprit behind many UFO sightings. However, experienced astronomers and pilots often pointed out that Venus's position and brightness are easily predictable, making misidentification unlikely in many cases. And while weather balloons are real and can appear unusual in the sky, they were often invoked as an explanation even when eyewitnesses' descriptions clearly didn't match the characteristics of a typical weather balloon. These debunked explanations are not necessarily proof of a government cover-up. Think of it this way. Project Blue Book was born in a time when scientific understanding of atmospheric phenomena was still developing. But while Project Blue Book categorized many UFO sightings, there were still 701 that remained unidentified. The Kenneth Arnold incident of 1947 ignited the modern UFO craze. Arnold, a pilot, claimed to see 9 mysterious objects near Mount Rainier, describing their flight like a saucer skipping on water. This vivid imagery coined the term flying saucer and sparked a wave of UFO sightings across the nation. Years later, in 1951, the Lubbock Lights baffled residents of Texas. Multiple witnesses, including law enforcement, reported a series of bright, unidentified lights moving in a formation across the sky. Photographs were even taken, further fueling the public fascination and adding to the growing body of unexplained aerial phenomena. From the infamous Kenneth Arnold case that popularized the term flying saucer to the baffling Lubbock Lights, Project Blue Book delved into the heart of the unknown. Yet despite its exhaustive efforts, the project concluded without definitive answers. The files remain open and serve as a reminder of our fascination with the extraterrestrial.